Welcome to Healing Target. To heal naturally. If this message touched your heart, a place where your body, mind, and soul come together. Here we believe that true healing starts from within, not just with medicine, but with mindful living. And take small steps toward a healthier, happier you. Every video is designed to help you understand your body better. We bring the truth that empowers you to heal. Your healing journey starts here. So if you're ready to take control of your health journey, you're in the right place. I'm Van Your Name, and this is Healing Target. Let's begin your healing journey together. Don't forget to subscribe. It truly means a lot. Subscribe, follow, and comment. Follow for more natural healing insights. And share your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your stories. Together, let's make the world a little healthier and a lot happier. See you in the next video. Stay kind, stay healing.